Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a form in Monday.com, step by step, so you can collect data fast and automatically send it into your boards. Alright, let's get started. Open Monday.com and go to the board where you want your form. On the top right, click Views and choose Form. Monday.com will instantly generate a default form based on your board's columns. Drag and drop fields to rearrange them. Rename any question by clicking on it. Turn from fields required if you need certain information, and add new fields by adding new columns to your board. They appear in the form automatically. Click Design to change colors, add a logo, or adjust the layout. Preview your form anytime using the Preview button. Click Share Form. Copy the link, embed it on your website, or send it directly to your team or clients. All submissions go straight into your Monday.com board instantly. No extra setup needed. And that's how to create a form in Monday.com. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more fast and simple workflow guides. Hey guys!